Good afternoon. So, we are here. Nag-harvest kami ng aming tanim na peanut. No, diba? We are harvesting our tanim na peanut in our small garden. Peanut. So, there's a lot of see? Fresh from the garden. Huwag mong i-ano sa akin. Kaya nga. Oh, there's a lot of iras-iras there. There's a lot of...
Oh, baby pa oh. Ang liit pa yung isa oh.
Babata yan?
Ang baby oh, dalawa anak niya na.
Merong uudins. Huwag mong ano. Uudins yan. Katik-katihins yan sa... So this is our small garden. We have ampalaya, peanut, and corn.